So it's important to document exactly what's happening here. And I've been at work for the past week, and so I've had a really hard time documenting what they've been doing. But Tag and Joe have been working together pretty closely the last 2 days, and my bathroom is on the brink of being done. This is like the biggest blessing I could ever ask for. I mean, 4 months of living off grid, no running water, no waste services, no anything, and no electricity, just solar. I mean, this has been pretty amazing. So to have running water, to have a toilet, and then now to have a shower. Last night we hooked up hot water and we had hot water on the property off grid for the first time. I can't begin to even tell you how rich you feel, like literally feel rich to have hot running water in the kitchen. You don't take one thing for granted. You don't take 1 ounce of anything for granted. So if you're just joining us, this is our story. My name is Jess and my husband's name is Joe, and we are building an off-grid homestead, and you're watching American Roots. What are you working on?
Plumbing.
For what?
Our bathroom.
A toilet?
Yeah.
Very exciting.
Get to that when we install it permanent, but I'll have you water next.
Okay.
I can completely bypass all this.
Okay.
Okay, now again, we want to, as we go through this,
Right.
we want to use all this stuff because there's safety involved.
Sure.
But for, so
It's
why,
good for troubleshooting,
yeah, but
but
why,
yeah,
why
it's
you're using
working.
it like this, you just turn the water off when you're done using it. You
Yeah.
just don't leave it on.
Yeah.
That's the only difference. You want to do that?
Yeah.
All right, so I need to take a metal cutoff wheel. I need that band off there.
All right.
And you get, wait, before I do it, you have pecs? Oh yeah, you got pecs.
Yeah.
Cut that band off there. Without, don't cut into the plastic.
Okay.
None of us can flush it, but you.
That's so dope, dude.
Off-grid water filling up my off-grid toilet. Thanks.
Dude, that was an awesome fix on that.
Yeah, we want to put it back the other way.
Yeah.
But to get you guys.
Zoom out. All right. First flush.
Did you hear that?
Did you see it? Just went away.
Bye.
No more double bagger.
Where's your bag?
Like when you're little.
Where's your bag at?
Oh my gosh. I just flushed the toilet for the very first time.
Up there. Okay, so I really get. If you want to put casing, you probably want. You can just, if you want, leave that against the wall. We're going to install it tomorrow.
So Tag and Joe cut in the area. This is the header for the entrance into the room. So you can still shiplap down into the awning. and it'll actually look like it was always supposed to be here. What are you doing?
I'm on vacation.
I bet. At my house.
Your house. That's right. All right, we got it.
No vacation.
You got it. But I want to. Actually, this would be a great job for you. You know.
Almost
Think of
there?
the muscles you're building you never knew you had.
You almost there? Fucking block there. This one's just going along this.
One of the tips I'd give you guys about hanging drywall is really focus hard on where your seam ends up. Because if you do that right, the amount of finishing is minute. Just like if you look at the shower area, you'll have this to finish and that little piece there, and there's nothing else to finish except filled screw holes.
It's not like a big long line.
I'm good. I try to minimize all my cuts, and if I have to have seams, I always try to put them right in the middle, right where I'm working.
That's nice, because then your sanding is right there,
That's right.
not over your head.
Yep. Or on your knees, which is equally as bad,
I know.
in my opinion.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. Almost. There it goes. I think that's good.
There you go. Beautiful, my boat.
I need.
I got the screw.
Knees. Some plastic.
Right? And put the cut edges in the corners
Okay.
so that when you butt the next piece in,
It's
you get a
straight.
good gig. Yeah.